click on the image. At the top, go to Edit. In the Tools section, click on See All, and we're going to click on Autofocus. So first we can adjust the focus position. So if we drag the bar, this will let us see which part of the photo we want to focus on. So if I want to focus more on the person, I can leave the focus bar all the way to the left, and I can drag the blur intensity to the right so that it blurs out the background. And if I want to do the inverse, let's say I want the background to be more focused and this person to be less focused, I can change the focus position and I can adjust the blur intensity so that the person becomes more blurred and the background is more focused. So you can adjust these parameters however you want so that you can put more emphasis on which part of the photo or image you want to focus on. And when I'm done, I can just click out of it. And now this person, you can see, is more focused and the background is more blurred now. So if you have any questions or comments, be sure to leave it down in the comment section below. If you enjoy my videos, consider subscribing to my channel. Thank you and have a great day.